Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us for another house. We're introducing this modern luxury home located in the sought-after subdivision near Clark and Koreatown. And of course, its prime location. There's so much more to this property, so stay tuned and watch until the end to learn more why this property is truly special. But before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosanna, and we're booking properties Pampanga. At nasa loob na tayo dahil umuulan na. Pero this property has a 120 square meters of lot area at ang kanyang floor area ay 228 square meters floor area. Sa likod ko, meron tayong pocket garden dyan. At this is their covered, fully covered carport, parking for two. And kung mapapansin niyo yung gate natin, sliding yan, so nagfo-fold siya. So very thoughtful of the builder kasi yung iba di ba pag bumukas, hindi na makadaan yung mga sasakyan. But this one, nafo-fold siya. So, iwas sagi sa mga ibang dumadaan. And also, pwede mo itong lagyan ng automated, you can make this automated gate. Pwede ka maglagay ng machine dyan. So, you have sliding there. Alright. I forgot to mention that this is fully furnished, but I did mention that there's really things that is special about this property. Alright, let's start with the structural. Sasabihin ko na siya sa umpisa pa lang para makita ninyo yung ating property is made with not your usual hollow blocks, but it's made with AAC or your autoclave aerated concrete blocks. Kung masisearch nyo, ito yung itsura niyan. Ayan, mas mahal siya sa mga usual hollow blocks dahil meron siya mga special features. Some of the features are soundproof. So, yung ingay sa labas, na lilimitahan pag nandun ka sa loob. And also, meron din siyang thermal insulation. So, ibig sabihin, yung lamig sa loob, kapag nag-aircon ka, mabilis tumamig at hindi yun basta-basta. Kasi di ba kapag mainit sa labas, yung mga walls natin, mainit din. So, ang hirap magpalamig sa loob. So, meron siyang thermal insulation. Kaya mas madaling lumamig sa loob, kaya mas tipid siya sa kuryente. What else? Fire resistant. Ayan. And then, lightweight din siya, kaya yung structural load ng yung property, lalo na kung 2 floors yan, like this one, ay makakalesen siya sa structural load natin. Also, that is for the structural trivia dito sa ating, or structural feature na very special dito sa property. Kasi parang limited lang, or parang actually sa lahat mga na-house din namin, ito pa lang yung na-feature namin with AAC concrete blocks. So that is one of the features. And another thing, this is fully furnished and yung seller po natin na gumagawa ng mga furnitures, kaya expect a very pretty interior that naging wow din yung pagpasok namin. So, let's go. Pasok na tayo. Intentional lahat ng ginawa dito. Kaya pag nakita ninyo, I would say that this property has a character. Pagpasok mo sa living area, this interior or this sofa, actually yon, that's a floor lamp. Hindi ko lang alam sindihan. Kasi hindi ko, yeah, that one is a floor lamp. And ayan, ito custom made to lahat for this property. And then kung mapapansin nyo, I don't know if you noticed na tahimik sa loob. That is because of the soundproof feature nung ating concrete blocks. Diba? So nice, ang ganda. Tsaka napansin nyo sa labas, wala masyadong kanto, more on curves. Tapos may mga wood na nagbigay ng personality talaga sa property and distinction. Aside from, doon nga, sa structural design natin, makikita mo rin sa finishing yung na nagsa-stand out siya. Your wall, durable, scratch-proof, water-resistant, dito basta-basta nadudumihan. So, just in case na may mga bata, kung nadumihan man nila, konting punas lang, madali po yung malinisan. And then, look at that, yung accent ng wall natin. Tunay na tunay. Ang Tagalog ko, kasi may mga nakikita akong mga solihiya dito, mga bratan eh. So, you'll see that nagmamatch talaga siya dito sa ating property. And your dining area, napapansin nyo, 8-seater yan, custom made din. And ito hindi po to wood, bigat. This is travertine stone. Kaya heavy duty yan. Ang bigat niya, hindi ko ma-lift ganun siya kabigat. That's very nice. Madali din siyang linisan. And very classy. Your chandelier, custom made din yan. Ang ganda ng kanyang itsura, di ba? And you have here a pocket garden. Pakita na lang natin yung medyo maliwanag na yung itsura. You can open that kung gusto mo lang ng hangin from the outside. But this is my favorite, ang kanilang, di ba? Parang pwede kang dito, cooking show. This one is Italian marble. Makikita niyo yung color niya. Ang ganda ng kulay niya kasi, I'm not sure how do you see it sa mga videos, but ang color natin is sage green. Sage green yan. Minsan kasi nag-iiba yung color sa video, but that is sage green. Mas maganda talaga makita niyo siya in person. So you have your modern design sink here. Meron kang glass rinser, you have your drainer, yung vegetable washer nandyan din. And then meron kang cabinet dito. Everything you see here, these are all included. Ayan. You have your pantry, drawers, cooktop, and induction cooker, and your range hood kasama yan. The ref is also included. And meron kang powder room dito. This is your powder room. And sa labas, going to your dirty kitchen and laundry area, nandito rin yung iyong maid's room. This is your maid's room. At meron siyang sarili niyang bathroom. So pwedeng, may video na ba tayo nung sa bathroom? So, pakita na lang natin doon. O kaya, pasok ako dito. And kasya po ang single bed, pwede mo siyang gawing double deck. Doon sa side na yon merong may gamit lang, kaya hindi namin mapakita yung banda doon. But there's space over there na pwede ka maglagay ng cabinet. And then pababa siya, minaximize yung space under the stairwell. Nandun yung sarili nilang bathroom. Paglabas mo, this is where your, meron kang water pump. Dirty kitchen, laundry area, and there goes your carport. Sa second floor natin, nandun lahat ng ating mga bedrooms, and all our bedrooms has their own ensuite toilet and bath. And ang ganda ng mga steps kasi hindi siya mataas. And we have here, meron tayong planter dito. So, may lalagyan pa daw tayo ng mga plants. Pero for now, wala pa siyang mga plants. But that is a planter. 3 bedrooms dito sa second floor. To my left, this is your first bedroom. Lalagyan pa po dito ng curtains. This is a single bed. Pwede mong gawing double bed, twin bed. Pwede pa, kakasya pa po yun. And you have your built-in cabinet. Hindi ko yata na-practice ang pag-open. Yan. There you go. May drawer din dyan. Pwede ka pang maglagay dito ng study table, vanity mirror, or vanity table. This side, pwede mo lagyan ng mga shelves if you want to. Kasi hindi naman siya talaga tatama basta-basta. So may space ka pa talaga. Your ensuite toilet and bath. Pagpasok mo, you have your slope type na sink. And then, you also have your tempered glass partition. Of course, your toilet. At ang taas. Ang taas ng CR mo, be. Look at that. High ceiling. So, talagang maaliwalas. And even your shower area, very maaliwalas din. And your lavatory sink, I just noticed this one, di ba? Hindi naman yung i-fix kung dito hot and cold ready. So, you have hot and cold. So, hot and cold ready na po ang ating faucet. This is your first bedroom with a suite toilet and bath. Lipat tayo sa ating next bedroom. Natural light. Yung light dito, hanggang dun sa may stairs. Actually, kahit sa pababa, may light pa na tumatama dun sa wall natin, papunta dun sa baba. Kaya natural light, perfect to. If you want na malagyan ng curtain, pwede rin naman. Next bedroom. This is your bedroom. Yan yung bed mo. Pwede mo siyang gawing twin bed. Kasya pa po ang twin bed dyan. Maglalagay pa ng curtain and linagyan nila ng vanilla wallpaper. And of course, meron ka rin ditong cabinet. Yung cabinet niya kamukha lang ng cabinet kanina. Tapos, meron kang, aside from those, yung side dito, ayan. Meron ka rin window dito and ventilation if gusto mo itong buksan. Kita mo yung, kasi paglabas mo dyan sa door, lalakad ka papunta sa balcony. This one, this is your toilet and bath. Same design nung kanina. High ceiling din siya. Shower. Hindi naman yung shower set niya. Very cute. Papasok nga ako. Ang ganda naman. Look at that. Tapos yung niche mo, oh, hindi lang siya yung basta-basta binutas. I mean, yung basta-basta niche lang na ordinary. Meron siyang design. Shower set. Yan, makita mo hot and cold. Same with the one sa sink mo. So this is your bathroom. Next. Parang gusto kong lumabas. Pasok na dito, pasok. Labas muna tayo sa balcony. Ayan. Pagpasok po, paglabas niyo dito. Ay, ito yung kanina, oh. Dun sa may bedroom. Okay. So, nilakad tayo dito. Sa sir balcony. And from here, medyo makakasilip ka na sa master's bedroom. Naririnig nyo ba? Pero pag nasa loob ka, sobrang hindi mo yan naririnig kasi nga soundproof. Your access to your balcony dito siya, to your master's bedroom. Pero gusto kong pumasok dun sa mismong door natin. Let's go. And finally, our master's bedroom. Ang ganda dito, guys. Pagpasok mo, high ceiling. And, ayan. From there, makikita mo na yung bedroom. Lalagyan pa yan ng wall cladding. Nakikita nyo ba yung part where you're gonna put your TV? Lalagyan pa yan ng wall cladding. At ito ang design niyan. Tcharan! Ito yung render. So, if-flash natin dyan, yan yung render niyan. Yan yung ilalagay. Ang naiba lang dyan is yung this part. This part dyan, covered siya. Pero right now, it's an access going to your balcony. One more thing, this one. This is a king-size bed, if I may say. This one, papalitan pa doon nila yung console dito. Mas malaki yung ilalagay nila. Actually, mas mahaba. Pero that is very, very pretty na, no? Itong part na to, lalagyan pa po ito ng Solihia partition. Or it's a divider made from traditional woven cane. Ito yung sample. Tcharan! Ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, kapag nalagay na yan, pagpasok mo, there's privacy, but still, yung airflow at yung design niya, hindi naman siya yung sobrang sarado. So, yan yung design ng ating Solihia. Ang ganda niya, no? Very classy. This one, your headboard, may saksakan na yan, both side, and you can add another side drawer doon kung gusto mo pa. But I think that's already perfect na, yung ganitong design. You also have your walk-in closet. Dahil nakabukas na, pasok na tayo. This is your walk-in closet. May ilaw yan na hindi pa lang nalalagay. Pero there is ilaw. There is ilaw. Yes, may ilaw yan. So, yung both side, meron ka rin drawers dito. Yan. And of course, your master's bathroom. Dito sa yung master's bathroom, diyan may ilalagay pa pong partition. And this is how it's gonna look like. Tadaan! Ayan. Ayan mga photos natin. Yan ang mga renders na magiging itsura po ng iyong master's bathroom. So, lalagyan pa yan ng mga accent. Lalagyan pa ng partition dito. Lalagyan ng partition. And then this one, this is your shower area. Enclosed shower area. Okay. So, napakita na natin ang kanyang render. So, hopefully, kapag nagpabook kayo ng trippings, this one pa, lalagyan pa ito ng vanity mirror dito. Ang ilalagay kasi na partition dyan is not tempered glass. You're going to put wood and steel. So, may metal and then wood. And then, may wood design yung iyong vanity mirror. Yun nga, pinakita natin yung itsura. So, hopefully, kapag nag-tripping na kayo, nandyan na po ang mga yon para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. And I think that's it. Uy, wait lang. Just wanna mention yung sa high ceiling mo, aside from that, meron ka pang clerestory window. So, natural light, tipid sa kuryente. And what I like about it, dahil nga AAC yung gamit na concrete blocks dito, natural light, pero the init from the inside, di ba? Na-maintain yung lamig dito sa loob, kahit na maliwanag dahil nga doon sa concrete natin. Right? So, ano pa ba? I think that's it. Balik na tayo sa ating ground floor for our recap. And for our recap, this is a modern luxury home located in one of the sought-after subdivisions near Clark and Koreatown. Pag sinabi natin near Clark, 15-minute drive lang po yan to Clark International Airport and a 15-minute drive din sa mga trending restaurants na nakita niyo sa mga TikTok sa Koreatown. And for the property naman, nakita niyo naman ang architectural design natin sa labas, di ba? Hindi naman usual yung mga curves na design niya sa labas, yung mga wood accent niya, and of course the color. Very pretty architectural design niya. And plus the prime location, yeah, we mentioned nga na malapit nga siya sa Seoul International Airport, Koreatown, and then sa mga iba pang major business establishment. I think a 20-minute drive to schools, other universities, going to Angeles City downtown, mabilis lang din yung access na going there. Ano pa ba? The structural design, very important yung structural design ng property because doon mo makikita kung gaano katibay yung property. And it's a plus na meron siyang, or yung blocks na ginamit dito ay yung AAC. We mentioned that sa start ng video, that is your autoclave aerated concrete blocks. So yung ganitong klaseng hollow blocks, hindi siya yung usual hollow blocks na ginagamit. But this has special features like lightweight. It has also a extra thermal insulation, kaya mas mabilis lumamig pag naka-aircon ka, and then hindi basta-basta pumapasok yung init sa labas. Sound insulation, so it dampens yung mga sound sa labas, kaya actually kung maririnig mo ngayon dito, very, hindi man nakakabinging katahimikan, pero napaka-relaxing kasi parang hindi talaga masyadong, hindi narinig yung hindi masyadong narinig sa labas. Ano pa ba? Fire resistant, lightweight, kaya yung structural load ng property, lalo na second floor to, no, nalilesen din niya. What else? Yung interior design. So aside from the structural, kasi minsan, kapag when they focus on the structural, they don't give much sa finishing or sa design or aesthetic. But this one, no. Very intentional lahat, even the custom-made properties, yung mga chandeliers natin, the colors, the vinyl wallpaper, and ayan, ito yung ang ganda nitong Italian marble na countertop mo dito sa yung breakfast nook or sa yung preparation area, and also your travertine stone dining table. Sobrang bigat niya, sobrang heavy duty, and then ang dali pa niyang linisan. So even the maintenance, so aside from aesthetic, magandang tignan, heavy duty pa siya, like this one, your travertine table, yung sa structural nga, and then your vinyl wallpaper, kung mapapansin mo, maganda siya, and then low maintenance pa siya dahil let's say nga, 'di ba, kapag painted wall yan, madalas kapag may mga bata, mahirap linisan kapag, 'di ba, hindi mo naman maiiwasan yun. But that one, madali po siyang linisan. What else? Yung balcony, yung natural light from the glass door going to your balcony, and then sa bathrooms natin, napansin nyo ba yung mga windows natin, di ba? Hindi sila maliliit. Talagang from floor to ceiling sila. So, meron po tayong natural light sa lahat ng mga rooms natin. And yung mga ensuite toilet and bath sa lahat ng mga bedrooms. Sa lahat ng bedrooms natin, meron po silang sarili-sariling bathroom. I love the master's bedroom kasi bukod sa high ceiling siya, maluwang, maganda yung kanyang walk-in closet, and of course, yung kanyang bathroom maluwang din. Meron pang mga i-add na accent like what we've shown earlier. So ito, yung mga yan, i-add yan. Ito pa yung mga ibang features natin. Ayan. So if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Pwede rin kayo mag-message doon. BP Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok. For sure, nakita nyo na yung mga reels natin before pa po na-publish ang full video dito sa YouTube. That is BP Pampanga. You can also message me on TikTok. I'm reposting videos. I'm also posting videos din ng mga reels para before pa ma-post yung full video, meron na mga nagtitripping. So, habang hindi pa to nabibili, book your trippings now. Enalalu on Instagram and Enalalu on Facebook. Sa mga ibang listings naman, if you're interested at meron kang specific na hinahanap sa property, you can check our listings sa blueprintpropertiespampanga.com. That's www.blueprintpropertiespampanga.com. And if you're also interested sa construction, yan, pwede rin po kayong mag-message sa amin for your inquiries. If you don't have social media handles, but you're interested to know more about the properties and to view other listings, meron po kami mga iba't ibang messaging platforms na available din. We have WhatsApp, Viber. You can also see our contact numbers dyan. And, ayan, yung mga mobile numbers namin. Email, meron din po kami. Kaya, message na kayo. And thank you so much sa aming mga subscribers. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe and you like this video, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and please share and click the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house is.